first. This is my project. Okay, let's start it. It is the project sample work, and it will open like this. You have this reset logo, load CSV, and quotation build quotation. Okay, so first you have to set the position of the logo, and I have put it on desktop. Wherever you will put it, you can set from there. So for the one time you have to set the logo. If your company change your logo, then you can add a new one. But for the one time you need to do that, and it will be loaded into the config file. Then you need to generate the load all the CSVs, all the four CSVs. So it is the header. And as I already told in the previous videos, the CSV will be loaded with the sheet name. The name of the CSV will be cut down to the suffix of the CSV name, so it is easily readable, and it's being used in the code. So it's generated and being used like that. It has main. I have loaded header main. Now I will load terms and conditions, and then the last one, total summary. So this is the total summary. Okay, what we need to do again next, logo is set, all the four CSVs are loaded. Now we will generate the quotation. So because it has now page number being calculated, this one. Okay, and it will automatically take you to save the PDF. So you can rename it if you want to, but right now it is the quotation with the date, on which date you are generating it. But you can change the name or you can add it and then save. And this is the PDF. Okay, so now you can see the page number is actually the total number of pages. um, I can show here because it is total page 2 of 3 and it is page 3 of 3 here, like 3 of 3. Okay, and now the terms and conditions is on are on page number 2. Okay, it's repeating. I will just fix it on page 2. So here terms and condition are page 2. Okay, and what was, all the things are adjusted. But now I want to add, like, I am not taking these values from the total summary. It is calculated from this main table, because I assumed it, because it has to be calculated. Because if you will change, if it will be in total summary, you provided me in total summary. Let me show you in total summary. Okay, here in total summary it is generated, so it is showing that where it is saved. Okay, in total summary it says total hours. It doesn't tell the hours and then the shipping cost and added everything. So I have calculated here, so it should be working fine if the data is changed. Like if there was a shipping cost 0 and no tax, but if you will add the tax or the shipping cost, the total amount will be changed. And then total amount for here from the main, let me show you. Here it will be changed because it is the total amount, or this one, I'm not sure like what you have provided there. So I have done this thing. I have taken this total amount from this. So now this is addition of these two amounts. Okay, so this is all the work I've done, and hope you like it. Thank you.